Yeah, Raleigh, this one's for you. The businesses, the builders, the ones who see it through. Yeah, JAN-PRO in the triangle, we've been holding it down. Yeah, the most trusted name and clean across the city and town. Every morning that you open up your doors to the world, your space says everything before a single word. We make sure your first impression hits the way it should. Spotless floors, sanitized surfaces, understood. From North Hills to downtown, Wake Forest to the west, Raleigh's business community deserves nothing but the best. Certified clean is not a tagline, it's the standard we keep. The kind of consistency your clients notice and your team. JAN-PRO Raleigh, precision in every space, professional service, every surface, every place. Medical, corporate, industrial, and more. We protect the people behind every door. JAN-PRO Raleigh, the standard is set. The most reliable clean you haven't forgotten yet. You've invested in your business every dollar, every hour. Your facility reflects that investment and that power. We arrive on schedule, trained on every protocol, EnviroShield certified. We answer every call. Healthcare facilities where cleanliness saves lives. Schools and gyms and offices where your culture thrives. Background checked, ensured, accountable to you. JAN-PRO doesn't just show up, we follow through. This is more than a service, it's a standard of care. It's knowing every morning that your space is prepared for the client you're meeting and the team that you lead. JAN-PRO delivers exactly what professional spaces need. And if you're an entrepreneur with ambition to grow, JAN-PRO franchising gives you a proven road. Recession resistant, scalable, built on real demand. Your own business, your own future will help you understand. JAN-PRO Raleigh, precision in every space, professional service, every surface, every place. Medical, corporate, industrial, and more. We protect the people behind every door. JAN-PRO Raleigh, the standard is set. The most reliable clean you haven't forgotten yet.